All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something pretty interesting. I got Reconnaissance Adzin Flipper right over here. Look at that, from Recon 1. And it's an interesting one for sure. In the meantime, guys, you can check out Fablades.com. You can check out @Fablades on Instagram and see what is going on there. And let me know in the comments down below what is going on here. If you like this stuff, if you don't like. For sure, the pouch is nice, embroidered, nylon, zippered, and padded. So that's pretty good. Nice packaging. And this is the content of that packaging. Inside of that, you're gonna find this flipper right over here, Reconnaissance Adzin. It's a titanium frame lock flipper. It's pretty nice. Let's see how much. How long is the blade right over here? 8.5 centimeters, and the diagonal of the handle is going to be 11 centimeters. And overall, this fella is going to be 20, considering the lanyard and the back spacer right over there. Let's do, let me take out, since this is like, let's say like a plain Jane, I thought to, of course, I mean, let's do just a couple of classic, like small Sebenza 21 and large 21 right over here. You see it's looking pretty good. It's right in between the Chris Reeve options. I want to show you another couple of a little bit less plain Jane. I got a Fisher right over here, Rod Olson up there, just to give you a little bit of color, because the rest of the review is going to be a little bit less colorful. We got some Randy Doucette in the house, and what else can I show you? Oh, guys, look at this one. So this right over here, they're pretty big. So, I mean, I thought just to share it with you, because you don't see that too often. Glenare Ovin, obviously. And what else can I show you? This guy right over here. And that's it, guys. I'm done. Because, I mean, come on. I had to show you that. Anyways, just to add some color to this other monochrome, otherwise monochrome piece. Black and titanium. And titanium in a sand-blasted, very, very cool matte finish for this flipper right over there. M390 steel. You get in the package something like 3D milled, beautiful lines. You have internal milled pockets. Stainless steel lock face insert. I love the hardware blackened out to match all around the body screw, pivot screw, the clip, the spacer with lanyard, whole integrated, kind of like in a Shiro style. I mean, this thing looks definitely good. I do see some Sienkiewicz design going on, some Sienkiewicz features, like just little details here and there that are catching my eye, but it's guys, this thing is snappy. It's very, very interesting. I like the backspacer, fluted like that, which reaches the jimping over here. Perfectly centered blade. You're not going to be able to snag the tip. External cutout for the lock bar. You get an externally screwed stainless steel lock face insert acting as an over travel lock bar stabilizer as well. You guys get all the bells and whistles for a pretty compact package and light on the wallet, because this is going to be 320 bucks. So it's not going to break the wallet, the bank, but at the same time, you have something. I mean, it's a titanium frame lock with a beautifully finished, actually, if you check the blade. You have belt satin on the flats and kind of like this vapor blast, this very, very gently blasted primary bevel, flat grind, and this wedge. Nice jimping as well. I mean, this thing checks out. Has all the bells, the whistles. It's designed properly. The pocket clip, it's a little bit tight, but it's goes well. There is only one thing, that is the deployment method. So in this case, you have jimping all around the flipper tab. So right over here, you should be able to push it, but it's not going to work. You can't really push this thing. So you have to hook it like from up here and kind of go down, pretty much like a cami flipper would do. Something that you do not want to do is touch the lock bar, otherwise it's a little bit sensitive to that. But beside that is a pretty fun one. It's this needs to still to break in, but I'm telling you, it's snappy for sure. The sound, ooh. It's lovely. Oof. Snap. Beautiful. Really, really cool sound. It has a nice grip to it. Not really many hotspots. Because the handle is a little bit short. In this case, you see, it just kind of digs a little bit right over here in my case, in my hand. So this thing might be different for everybody. Let's check the scale, what it says. 3.67 ounces, not too shabby. It's very, very reasonable for a knife this size. It's pretty comfy, it's well made. There's nothing wrong with it, except, I mean, the only thing is you have to be careful, like on the deployment, positioning of your fingertip, that's it. But it's, you see, you just kind of, you can even do like pull back like that, and it's gonna work. It's beautiful. Don't put too much pressure on the lock bar. And this thing still, you see, there's no guillotine effect. You gotta wiggle a little bit, but otherwise it has a great action for sure. Feels good in the hand, looks good. It's a very nice knife. Nothing wrong with it. Really cool design, really cool feel. It feels solid. There's no like lock stick, no blade play. Guys, I like this one. Pretty cool lines. There you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.